Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that affects pretty much everyone online, but with a futuristic twist. We're talking about those I'm not a robot tests, also known as CAPTCHAs. You know the ones, picking out all the traffic lights, deciphering wavy text, or clicking on squares with buses. They're a necessary evil to keep bots out, but let's be honest, they can be super annoying and sometimes even a little creepy. Have you ever wondered who's collecting all that data you're providing for free? Well, what if I told you there's a new generation of CAPTCHAs emerging, one that puts your privacy and security first? Enter the world of blockchain-based, decentralized CAPTCHAs. It sounds like a mouthful, I know, but the idea behind it is revolutionary and surprisingly simple. Instead of sending your data to a single, centralized company like Google, these new systems use the power of the blockchain to verify that you are, in fact, human. So, how does this magic work? Imagine a network of computers all working together instead of just one big server. When you need to prove you're human, a decentralized CAPTCHA might ask you to solve a simple, privacy-preserving puzzle. Your solution is then verified across this distributed network. Because there's no single point of control, it is incredibly difficult for any one entity to track your online behavior or build a profile on you. This is a huge win for privacy. You're no longer feeding data into a giant corporate machine just to log into a website. The benefits don't stop at privacy. Decentralized CAPTCHAs are also designed to be more secure against advanced bots. Traditional CAPTCHAs are in a constant arms race with AI. As AI gets smarter, it gets better at solving these puzzles, forcing CAPTCHAs to become harder and more frustrating for actual humans. Blockchain-based systems can introduce novel economic incentives. For instance, some platforms require a tiny, almost free transaction on the blockchain to complete the CAPTCHA. While this is nothing for a human user, it becomes incredibly expensive for a bot trying to attack a site thousands of times a second. It's a clever way to price bots out of the game entirely without making life harder for you and me. This approach also enhances fairness and accessibility. Since the system is open and decentralized, it reduces the risk of censorship or bias that could come from a single company controlling the gateway to much of the internet. It creates a more level playing field where verification is based on cryptographic proof rather than a corporation's algorithm. Think of it as taking back a small piece of the internet, making it more aligned with the original vision of a decentralized and open web. It's not just about stopping bots. It's about redesigning a fundamental piece of internet infrastructure to be more user-centric. The future of online security is all about decentralization, and CAPTCHAs are just one piece of that puzzle. By shifting from a model of trust in a single company to trust in a transparent, distributed network, we can build a safer, more private, and more equitable internet for everyone. We're still in the early days, but the potential is massive. This isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a fundamental rethinking of how we prove our humanity online. What do you think about this? Are you tired of picking out crosswalks and ready for a more private alternative? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of web tech, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.